How to see the remaining RAMs on the cell phone Samsung Galaxy A07. And I will give you two ways to do that. In the first step, you can go to the setting menu, and then you can select on device care, tap on it, and then you can tap on memory. And here you can also clean up any remaining background processes. And now you can see the remaining RAM on this cell phone. And step 2, you can using this app, you can download this app on the Play Store. Device info app, you can download this app on the Play Store, and you can select on memory, tap on it, and here you can see the free processes RAM in the cell phone. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.